Buckle up. The idea of full mouth reconstruction can sound intimidating, but our process at Smile Makers is designed to make it simple, clear, and comfortable for you. Let's walk through the steps. First, it all begins with a comprehensive consultation and a digital planning session. We use 3D scans and digital smile design so you can see your potential new smile before we even start. Second, we prepare the foundation. We address any underlying diseases like cavities or gum disease to ensure that your new smile is built to last. Third is the procedure day. Thanks to our advanced technology and sedation options, we can often accomplish the surgical phase and most of the restorative phase of your visit comfortably in a single visit. Finally, after a period of healing, we deliver your final custom-designed smile. Our goal is to guide you through each step with clarity and care, making your journey to a new smile as easy as possible. Ready to start your journey to a revitalized smile? Contact us today to schedule your comprehensive consultation and see what the Smile Makers process can do for you. Let's make that confident, beautiful smile a reality together. Look forward to seeing you soon.